Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this Giotto Espresso machine. The customer said that it was leaking underneath, and we can't find any sort of leak on it. But let's go ahead and just show the machine. I've had it on for 2 days now. Still finding a good grind setting. And yeah, I'm not seeing, I've pulled a couple shots and I'm just not seeing any kind of leak. Everything looks perfectly dry inside. So I'm not sure. Nothing I can really do if I can't see the leak. Underneath the machine. It's just all dry, and I've left it on a lot too, just to make sure. So thank you for watching with Canada Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.